In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and remove user profiles in Firefox in a simple beginner-friendly way. Firefox profiles are really useful if you want to keep your browsing separate for work, personal use, testing, or different accounts. A profile can have its own bookmarks, extensions, history, settings, and saved logins, which makes it a great way to stay organized and keep things clean. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. To create a new Firefox profile, first open Firefox and click into the address bar. Then type About Profiles and press Enter. This takes you to the built-in Firefox Profile Manager, where you can see your current profile and manage additional profiles. On this page, look for the Create a New Profile button and click it. This will open the Profile Wizard, which walks you through the setup process. Click Next to continue. Now Firefox will ask you to name the profile. Choose a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later. For example, you might use work, personal, gaming, testing, or anything that makes sense for how you plan to use it. After typing the name, click Finish to save the profile and return to the Manager page. Your new profile will now appear in the list, and from here you can launch it whenever you want. This is especially useful if you want a separate browser space for different projects or accounts, without everything mixing together. Now let's go over how to remove a profile. Before deleting anything, make sure you close all open Firefox windows. This is important because Firefox won't let you remove a profile safely while it's still in use. Once everything is closed, reopen Firefox using a main profile if needed. Then go back to About Profiles in the address bar. On the Profile Manager page, find the profile you want to delete from the list. Double-check the name so you don't remove the wrong one. When you found it, click the Remove button. Firefox will then ask how you want to handle the profile data. If you want to completely erase that profile and all of its files, choose the option to delete the files. If you only want to remove it from Firefox without deleting the stored data, choose the option that keeps the files. Pick the option that matches your goal carefully, because this part matters if you want to preserve anything. After that, Firefox will remove the profile from the Manager page. And that's it. You now know how to create a new Firefox profile and remove one you no longer need. Using profiles is a smart way to stay organized and make your browsing setup more flexible. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more Firefox tips, browser tutorials, and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.